Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Your friend, I and my friend named Delika Shalomita Ira Puspawati and Epiriska. Here we will present the result of our group journal analysis entitled Healthy Food Choices Are Happy Food Choices Evident from a Real Life Simple Using Smartphone Based Assessment. Deborah Arwal et al. Published in Scientific Report that December.
The food choices are happy food choices evidence from a real-life sample using smartphone-based assessments. Penulis Deborah R. Walt et al. Published in Scientific Reports dat 6 Desember 2017. Quotation of the journal. Why in the that we can add in Google for to compensate for lives mishaps is so prevalent in an innovative experimental study. Participants believed that they operate KWL car. What I call explained according to researching on her food. Research show that health food choices such as eating fruit and vegetables have not only physical but also mental health benefits and might be a long-term investment in future well-being. Next, Effie.
What I want to I know, like when it comes to eating, research, media, and police make their focus primarily on the negative aspect of eating behavior, such as restricting certain food, counting calories, and dieting. Why should we eat food like vegetables and fruit?
Ayo lanjut.
L. What I learned. However, research has shown that diet and restrained eating are often counterproductive and might even enhance the risk of long-term weight gain and eating disorders. Higher fruit and vegetable consumption was associated with greater happiness and well-being, in clear contrast to the common belief that high fat, high sugar, and high calorie foods tasty better and make us happy when we eat them. Research suggests that healthy food choices such as eating fruit and vegetables have not only physical but also mental health benefits and might be a long-term investment in future well-being. This view contrasts with the belief that high-calorie food tasty better, make us happy, and elevate a negative mood. To provide more comprehensive assessment of food choice and well-being, we investigated in the moment eating happiness by assessing complete real-life dietary behavior across 8 days using smartphone-based ecological memory assessment. 3 main findings emerged. First, of 14 different main food categories: vegetable, consumption contribute the largest share to eating happiness, measured across a day, seconds with an average 40 feet. Comparable induced eating happiness to healthy food choices, such as fruit or vegetable treats dinner, elicited comparable eating happiness to snacking, descending, and this goes within the food as health and food as well-being perspective on eating behavior. Comes to eating research, the media and policy maker mainly focus on negative aspect of eating behavior, like restricting certain food, counting calories, and dieting likes with health intervention effort, including primary prevention, campaignly and current consumer to trade off the expected enjoyment of hedonic and comfort food against health benefits. However, research has shown that diet and restrained eating are often counterproductive and might even enhance the risk of long-term weight gain and eating disorders. For missing new perspective entails a shift from food as pure nourishment toward a more positive and well-being centered perspective on human eating behavior. Is this context have advocated a paradigm shift from food as health to food as well-being, supporting this perspective of food as well-being. Research suggests that healthy food choices such as eating more fruit and vegetables have not only physical but also mental health benefits and may be a long-term investment in future well-being. Example, in a nationally representative panel survey of over 12,000 adults from Australia, Mutti and Oswald showed that fruit and vegetable consumption predicted increase in happiness, life satisfaction, and well-being over 2 years. Similarly, using leisure analysis, White and colleagues showed that fruit and vegetable consumption predicted improvement in positive effect in the subsequent day, but no vice versa. Also, cross-sectional evidence reported by show that eating fruit and vegetable is positively associated with well-being after adjusting for demographic variables, including age, sex, or race. Of not-for-profit research includes a wide range of timelines between actual eating occasion and well-being, ranging from 24 hours to 14 days to 24 months. That the findings support the nation that fruit and vegetable consumption has beneficial effect on different indicators of well-being such as happiness or general life satisfaction across a range of time span.
Next, Ramdhani.
The contention that healthy food choice such as a high fruit and vegetable consumption is associated with greater happiness and well-being clearly contrasts with the common belief that in particular high fat, high sugar, or high calorie food taste better and make us happy while we are eating them. When it comes to eating, people usually have a spontaneous, unhealthy, and assume that chocolate is a better mood buster than in ever. According to this in the moment well-being perspective, consumers have to trade off the expected enjoyment of eating again the health cost of eating unhealthy led to interested consumption in a substantial number of individuals. Emotional eating of unhealthy food, comfort food. However, this research seems focused on emotional eating to smooth unpleasant expression in response to stress or negative mood states, and the mood boosting effect to eating is typically not assessed. One of the few studies testing the effectiveness of comfort food in improving mood showed that the consumption of unhealthy comfort food had a mood boosting effect after a negative mood induction, but not to a greater extent than on comfort or neutral food. Hence, even though people might believe that snacking on unhealthy food like ice cream or chocolate provide greater pleasure and psychological benefits, the consumption of unhealthy food may not actually be more psychological beneficial than other food. However, but stream of research have had focus on a single food category, fruit and vegetable consumption, a single type of meal snacking, or a single eating occasion after negative or natural mood indication. Accordingly, it is unknown whether the boosting effect to eating is specific to types of food choice and categories, or whether eating has a more general boosting effect that is observable after the consumption of both healthy and unhealthy food and across eating session. Accordingly, in the present study, we investigated by psychological benefit of eating transferred by food categories and meal types and assessing conflict dietary behavior across a day in real life discussion. This study is the first to our knowledge that investigated in the moment experience eating happiness in real time and real life using EMA based report and imagery covering the completed diversity of food intake. The present result to an extent favored funding by suggesting the fruit and vegetable consumption has immediate consumption contributed direct set to eating happiness measure across a day, thus in additional to the investment in future well-being indicated by previous research. A healthy food choice seem to be an improvement in the moment well-being. Importantly, so many cultures convey the belief that eating certain food has a greater hedonic mood-boosting effect. The present result suggests that this might not reflect actual in the moment experience maturity, even though people often have a spontaneous, unhealthy touch indicating that a stronger happiness boosting effect of unhealthy food is to be expected. The unresearched eating habits of sweet did not differ on everything from certifically unhealthy food, such as pasted and salty extras, which did not show expensive grading boosting effect on happiness. Moreover, analysis on the meal tip level support this national since snack Despite their overall disparate effect, were not the most psychological beneficial meal tip. Dinner had a comparable happiness signature to snacking. Take together healthy choice seem to be also happiness choice, and the least comparable to our even higher. Intake hedonic palate as compared to stereotypical unhealthy food choice. In general, eating happiness is high with consult with diverse research profiles to this with general healthy participant the caso Belicid and Delic 22 excellent vegan food there is from 54 friend subject and food assessment of the meal were rated as failing. Also, the absolute difference in average eating happiness for the 24 differ for suggestion. I believe this next we are concrete small on one called across this simple educational set participant avoid selecting bad food. Alternatively, this might suggest that the type or food categories are less difficult for expressed eating happiness than often summoned. This related to research pending in the field of comfort and emotional eating. Many people believe that specific types of food have greater comfort value. Also in research, the food eating as response to negative emotional strain are typically characterized as being high calories because those foods are assumed to provide immediate physical benefit. However, compared different food types did not provide different for the national that they different in their profit comfort rather eating in general led to significant compromise in mood. This is mirrored in the present finding. Comprise the eating happiness or healthy food choice such the fruit and vegetable to that of unhealthy food choice such as sweet sauce well similar butter ice. On average, that were associated with high eating happiness and their range of experience rank from very negative to very positive.
Next, Delica.
They raise the question of why the idea that we can eat endogenous food, the concept for life, myself is so fulfilling in an innovative experiment. Study let participants believe that they overeat those who characteristic themselves as emotional eaters, falsely attributes their over-consumption to negative emotion, demonstrating a confabulation effect. This indicates that people might have restricted self-knowledge and that recalled eating episodes suffer from systematic recall biases. Moreover, exam postprandial subjective wellness and objective parameters, e.g., ghrelin, insulin, glucose after standard breakfast intakes, and did not find direct correlation. This suggests that the impact of different food category on wellness might not be directly related to biological effect, but rather due to conditioning, as food is often paired with other positive experience social interaction or to affect moreover experimental and field study indicate that not only negative but also positive emotion triangle eating. One might speculate that selective attention might contribute to the mighty of comfort food in that people attend to the consumption effect of comfort food in negative situation, but neglect the effect in positive honors. The parents' data also show that eating before in the real world is a complex before it with my different aspect. People make more than two 2,000 food decisions a day with pose a great challenge